Welcome to Solution Zone. Here you get videos on how to, tricks and tips, facts, answers, and many more. Hit the subscription button so as not to miss out any content from us.
Is your Android phone overheating? Here's why your phone gets hot and how to cool it down and keep it from heating up again. Does your phone overheat all by itself? Or is a specific app causing it? Are you streaming a ton of videos? Or is the weather simply too hot? When a phone gets too hot, it slows down. In some cases, it may automatically shut down until it has cooled down. Let's look at how to fix an overheating phone. However, don't interpret warm as hot. A slightly warmer feel after playing a game for 15 minutes is normal. But if your phone displays an overheating alert, or you find the device is surprisingly hot to the touch, then you should investigate. Your display brightness is too high. Your Wi-Fi has been connected for too long. You've been playing too many games. If you want to know what causes your phone to get hot and how to stop it, watch this video till the end and don't forget to hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell for more useful content like this. Let's look at the first reason why your phone is overheating and how to fix it. Reason number 1. Running buggy apps on your phone. Scratching your head and wondering, why is my phone overheating? Well, it might be due to one or more buggy apps. Perhaps you've installed a new app that doesn't run well with your phone. Maybe an app you use regularly has been updated and the new version is causing Android to overheat. Automatic app updates are useful, but sometimes they cause problems like this. To fix this, uninstall the app in question. As soon as the app is uninstalled, restart your phone and wait a few minutes before checking it again. If the phone is still hot, go to the next solution. Reason number 2. Intensive camera usage. Using your phone's video camera for a long period can result in the device overheating. This doesn't happen in all cases, and typically depends on some other factors. To avoid this happening, ensure your phone camera is only used when required, that the screen isn't set too bright, and you're not trying to record at an excessive resolution. Reason number 3. Under direct sunlight. Environmental factors can cause your phone to overheat. Leaving the phone in direct sunlight is a common issue. Your phone will almost certainly get too hot if mounted on a car dashboard on a sunny day. In such a scenario, use your vehicle's air conditioning system to help cool the phone. In other scenarios, keep the phone out of sight and away from direct sunlight. If you really need to use it, try and keep the phone in the shade. When you're done, prevent your phone overheating by keeping it somewhere cool. Reason number 4. Enclosed phone cases. If you keep your phone in a case, this could be the reason. Many cases are constructed from plastic or contain a large amount of plastic. Even those made with leather have the same problem. The phone is insulated, keeping heat in and cold out. You can consider removing your phone plastic case as a solution. Reason number 5. Charging condition. Another thing that can lead to Android phone overheating issues is the condition of the battery. The charging cable can also cause problems. If you have an older phone that's been overcharged many times, you should never charge to 100%. Regularly charge to 80 to 90% to keep the battery healthy. Phones should not get hot enough to cause problems when charging. If this occurs, the reason could be a damaged battery, a poor quality charging cable, or a problem with the port. Try replacing the battery and charging cable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave us a comment in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, give it a thumb up and subscribe to this channel for more.